money, hold up, gotta, cut up, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on a, wanna, come on, hunter, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, minute, hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, pop it, sippin' 𝐏𝐫𝐞, rich nigga on A1, baby, breaking that 𝐏𝐫𝐞, baby, butter pecan, bringing that on a refund, breaking that back till I see the sun, I fuck the bitch on the jet, keep a get on her neck, she only call me for 6, speeding the bitch, I still got my foot on their neck, finna put on the wrist, I used to drop it at X, from the strong gotta keep it a gun, not a regular but that's strong, fucking whole by the week every month, she want me sticking it deep in her gut, let me know if you with it or what.
Jumping right on into it, this video is sponsored by Myfirstwig, and I'm so excited because I have found my go-to wig. This unit is so easy to install, and I know you've seen from the beginning of this video that the unit was slayed. Typically when I do installs, I don't do the ball cap method. As you guys see here, you can see the cap very clearly, but with this unit specifically, since it was already pre-plucked really well, I did have to go in and do the ball cap method, but I promise it's all worth it because the unit is going to lay so flat and it's going to look so natural.
Women, hey, linen, hey, dealing, killing, spinning, willing, grilling, hey, feeling, pay, money, hold up, gotta.
To give you guys a little bit more details about this unit, this is a 13x4 invisible lace unit. HD and invisible lace are some of my favorite laces to work with just because they are so thin, but the invisible crystal clear lace, since it is so thin, you do have to be a little bit more cautious with the install because it is very fragile. The unit is 20 inches and it did come pre-plucked and pre-bleached, as you guys can see here.
Money, hold up, gotta, cut up, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on a, wanna, come on, hunter, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, minute, hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, pop it. Sippin' 𝐏𝐫𝐞, rich nigga on A1, baby, breaking that 𝐏𝐫𝐞, baby, butter pecan, bringing that on a refund, breaking that back till I see the sun, I fuck the bitch on the jet, keep a get on her neck, she only call me for 6, speeding the bitch, I still got my foot on their neck, finna put on the wrist, I used to drop it at X, from the strong gotta keep it a gun, not a regular but that's strong, fucking whole by the week every month, she want me sticking it deep in her gut, let me know if you with it or what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm fuck with these niggas a dub. Money, hold up, gotta, cut up, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on a, wanna, come on, hunter, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, minute, hunter, cook up. Hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, surf, pop up, hurt, pop up, smurf, lot of dirt, I can call up dirt, 𝐏𝐫𝐞 shirts, millions off merch, sipping, dripping, tipping, tripping, women, hey, linen, hey, dealing, killing, spinning, willing, grilling, hey, feeling, pay, money, hold up, gotta, cut up, ladder, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on a, gonna, wanna, come on, hunter, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, minute, hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave. Gotta cut a lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wigs, water, reach, water, your bitch, on wanna, come on.
If you've watched any of my previous wig videos, then you know that it's very typical when I have a middle part, I love to add my layers. But the good thing with this unit is that it actually came layered already, so it saved me half the time. I also wanted to mention that I ended up having a minimal to no shedding with this unit, and I was able to straighten this unit with very high temperatures like 420 degrees Fahrenheit.
She only coming for 6. Speed in the bitch. I stick up my foot on their neck. Finna put on the wrist. I used to drop it at X. On the strong, gotta keep you a gun. Not a regular, but that's strong. Fucking whole bottle, we get remind. She want me sticking it deep in her gut. Let me know if you with it or what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm fuck with these niggas a dub. Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lot of order, dollars, quarters, wigs, water, reach, water, your bitch, on a, wanna, come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, surf, papa, hurt, papa, smurf, lot of dirt, I can call up dirt, crow heart, shirts, millions off merch, sipping, dripping, tipping, tripping, women, hey, linen, hey, dealing, killing, spinning, willing, grilling, hey, feeling, pay, money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wigs, water, reach, water, your bitch, wanna, come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave. Gotta cut a lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wigs, water, reach, water, your bitch, wanna, come on, hunters, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, pop it, sipping 𝐏𝐫𝐞, rich nigga on A1, baby, back in that 𝐏𝐫𝐞, baby, butter pecan, bringing that on the reef.
So here's the finished look. As you guys can see, it looks very natural. Girl, it's giving I just got a sew-in. I'm sorry, I really love this unit, and if you do as well, feel free to check out the links in the description right down below, where you can use my discount code. And once again, thank you so much to Myfirstwig for sponsoring this video.
Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm fuck with these niggas a dub.